Hi, do you like to get paid $5 every 2 minutes using new app? Yeah, that I'm going to show you in this video. This is the earn money online methods that I'm about to show you in this video, by which you can earn not only $5 but even more for every minutes or every 2 minutes time you spend on this method. That you just don't need to make any videos, you just don't need to fill any boring surveys, you don't need any marketing skills, even you don't need to do affiliate marketing that I'm about to show you in this video. You just have to follow my instructions step by step and you are good to go with this method. Just till the end, watch this video and stay with me. But before I show you the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so jump back into actions by which you can earn $5 or more just for every 2 minutes of your time using an app that I'm going to show you in this video. All you have to do, just watch it carefully and be attentive and just jump back into actions. We are going to reveal, and you know the site that we just take offers from it, which is called offervault.com. Yeah, you know it. It's an affiliate marketing database. Offervault lists all the affiliate marketing networks around the world, and all those networks list their offers in Offervault, and this is a really cool site to get your offer in one place. That is why I choose Offervault. I like Offervault most cases, and you just go over to Offervault and you can see that they have lots of offers from various type of offer networks, affiliate networks out there, and you can choose whatever you like you want to do. But we are interested in this method is CPA offers, which means cost per action, that requires users to complete the offer without spending any money. They just have to submit their email or PIN and hit the submit button and participate into that offer without any credit card or money, and you are getting paid for that. This is the CPA method. This is the CPA offer that works like magic and very easy to promote to someone who do not have to spend any money on it, and you get money for that. So this is the way we are going to select any CPA offer that are related to gift cards. Yes, we go over to offer vaults and we search like gift cards. Here we search like gift cards that are really popular offer, because people love to get some money and people love to win money as well. So gift cards are really popular always, and we are targeting gift card offers here. And if you search it on Offervault, you will see lots of gift card offers out there. But if you just search for sometimes and look for some email submit gift card offers or single opt-in offers, and you will find some offers like this. For instance, I find some offers like this one. This is a good offer. I just click it and it opens the offer and showing me the details about it with a screenshot of it. You can see this is a PayPal $1,000 gift card offer, which is SOI. SOI means single opt-in. User have to just fill the first form and submit their email and you are good to go. You will get paid $2.75. It's good amount of money just in couple of seconds. In any user, you just promote it, any user going through your link and submit their email, and you get $2.75. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, definitely it is. If you just click on the image here, it will show in like this, and you can see that this is a really cool landing page. This is the page that will show up on when you promote to someone and he goes through your link. So all you have to do is just submit their email here and hit continue, and boom, you get $2.75. This is really awesome. This is the network name, and all you have to do, there are different offers with from different networks. So all you have to do, you have to get the affiliate link to promote, which is especially generated for you to promote their offer. So all you have to do is just go to the network and register. So if I click on run offer button here, it will show something like this. This is the network that are running this offer right now. So all you have to do, just go over to their network. Every network sign up process is different. For instance, for this video, I just go over to this network, and as we are publisher, we are not advertiser, so we are going to click publishers and register there. Click on register, and this will show a form like this, and you just have to fill in your mail name and some basic questions, your address and your personal informations, and it's really easy. You just read it and submit it honestly, because honestly is the best option here to get accepted. And you just write the method, the way you're going to advertise your offer to get leads. So how they're going to accept you? All you have to do is just sign up and submit your applications. Then I'm going to give you tips, which is you just go over to their website and go over to their contact us pages and contact them directly by just calling. You just call to their phone numbers and ask them to get you accepted to their affiliate system, and this will skyrocket the process of sign up to that affiliate network. And this will, believe me, this works the most. You just, after you submit your applications, you just directly call them by phone and talk to them how you're going to promote their offers. And then definitely, if you just say that you will submit your offer to your email list, and definitely they will accept you in no time. So all you have to do, just follow my instructions. You can find, if that not works, you can find many more offers there, and you will do it day by day, and more you work, more network will get you accepted. So all you have to do is just this is just for an example. You just go there and apply for it. There you can find many more CPA networks that requires no review. You just apply it, get sign up, and you are done. You will go into the dashboard and you can start promoting their offer without any problem. So all they have to do is just pick your offers and you get your affiliate link. That's it. This is the first phase of getting your affiliate link for your offer to promote. But how are you going to do right now? I said you do not need to advertise anything. You do not have to spend any marketing skills. You do not have to do real affiliate marketing here. So what is the catch here? In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that is really awesome and will definitely give you head start, and you can start earning money right away using these tools. But before I show you that, if you're liking this method, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you're always stay with my channel and with my latest videos as always. So we are going to use a tool. You just need a little money. It's nothing, it's just a little money that you just have to spend and you are good to go with it. So the tools is profitmate.net/FE. This is the site Profitmate. This is a really good solid apps and programs that you will use to promote your affiliate link. Yes, this is a just click of a button and you're good to go. You can build unlimited email list with this. You can see that you can build unlimited email list within couple of seconds. You can do that. You can build a list and send them emails using that software, your tools that they're going to provide you, and it's just a minimum $7 you need to get started. It's just nothing. It's very, very cheap and very, very powerful tools. When you just sign up there using their tools, you just look for your keyword and search it on it, and it will scroll through all the web and collect all the business and personal email addresses from there, and where you can just send your emails to promote your affiliate link. And this is 100% automated tool, and it will definitely give you not much but some good amount of traffic to your affiliate link, and there is a big chance that you make money for it. People are making money. I make money with this. This is a really cool site. It's just not much, but it's around $50 to $100 every day you can earn with this without doing any promotion, without having any social influence, and without having any marketing skills or anything like that. Just go over there, use their tools, and search for emails and send your emails with your offer affiliate link, and you are good to go. You can start making money. As if people are just sign up, people very much interested to offers like this, they just have to sign up one page and you will get $2.75. That's really easy. So within 2 minutes time, if you just send 100 or thousands emails and you just get 2 signups, and in just 2 minutes you get more than $5. This is why I told you you can get $5 every 2 minutes or even more money. The more work you do, more mail you can send and more money you can make. This is the way it is. You have to just be active and then money will follow you. All you have to do is just follow my instructions step by step, and you do not need to have any marketing skills. You just send emails to those emails that using that search by those tools, and you just good to go with this. So this is it, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel and stay with me. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.